What's up guys, Said Muzammil here, and in this video I will show you guys how you can create a free intro for your videos, that may be YouTube video or any other videos. So let's get straight into our video. First thing is that you have to search for free intro simply, and you will get the first website that is known as, I think, this. Okay, after you reach to this website, render forest, you will find lot of intros here, intros and logos, and you can choose one of these. It's very much easy. You can choose lot of logos. You can also preview. First thing, I will preview this one and then I can create. So first thing is that you have to preview this, because if you will find this useful for yourselves, your videos, you can then make this. So this will look like something this. If you want to get this, you can then click on create now. Right now I will show you one of the logo. It's very simple to create. What you have to do is the simple thing. I think we will create this one. Okay, this looks nice and easy. So let's click. If you want this logo, you can create this. So simply you have to go to the create now button. Click on this. You will reach to this thing. Okay. Before that, you have to click on the create now. And one more thing is that you have to log in or sign up for the first time. And if you have an account on this, you then simply have to sign in. So first thing is you need to add a logo right here. Simply click on this and you can choose any logo from your media, from your PC. So right now I have one logo, and that is my profile picture. I'm using this thing right now. Okay, because this is saying that it seems that your upload image is not transparent. So first thing is that I have to make a transparent image. So for that you need to wait, because they are doing this thing by themselves, I think so. Okay, wait until this loading will get completed. There are a lot of templates that you can choose. Okay, so you can choose a lot of templates. We will check until this processing will get done. We can choose a lot of templates. You can not only with this website, you can do a lot of things. For example, you can not only make your intros, but you can also edit your videos on this website. Okay, so that's the great and cool thing, that you can edit your website online, and there you can edit in lot of ways that you want. So right now we will see what they offer. They offer a lot of things. Okay, for example, they offer promotional. There are some of the products. They also prefer intros and logos. Okay, they provide slideshows, presentations, and musical, something like that. And they provide movie trailers, and we don't need this stuff because we are only here because of the logo. So right now I think I should not have to choose this, because here we need something that is called as a transparent logo. So we are going to choose this. Simply create now. Click on the create now button, and after that you will reach to this point where you have to choose your logo. And I will choose, you can upload here. Okay, because I have my logo right here. I can choose any one of these. So here I have to crop this, so I'm going to crop this right here. Confirm. Okay, it will look like something this, and here I can change the text subscribe. Okay, after that hit enter button, and then is the second thing that if you want you can do, if you do not want is the music. Okay, if you do not want to add your music, it will automatically add one of their music. So right now you can add this music or your own music that you can upload. Okay, right now I am not going to use any of these musics. I am going to let them choose any music for me. Okay, after that you have to click on the preview. But one thing is here that if you want to create your intro here, you can watch the preview. That is another question, but you will find that if you will download now this intro, you will find something that is called as the watermark of this website, that this intro is created by Render Forest. So if you do not want that thing on your intro, then you should have to buy this. But I will show you the trick that how you can do this thing without buying any of these templates. But if you want to make your template looking good, then there is the no question that you have to do another thing is no. So for that you need to buy the template or buy the logo, buy the intro. Okay, but if you just want to get this intro for some other purposes and you do not want to remove that watermark, or you just want to remove that watermark, then you can make something you can put some label at that. For example, we'll watch this thing and I will show you where you will find the watermark of this. Okay, here on this side you will find created by renderforest.com. okay, and this intro will look like something this, and I think this looks very amazing. You can try this thing, but because and here you will find subscribe. Okay, but here you will find the watermark of this website. You can also remove this by using your editing softwares with the help of you put a you can put here something to hide this. Okay, so after you put something on this created by renderforest.com, you can then show it to your viewers. Okay, so this was today's video about how you can get an intro for your videos, that may be YouTube videos or any other videos. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you will give a thumbs up to this video, and if you are new, consider subscribing, because I make most of the videos about tech and I will upload that on this YouTube channel, and you have to subscribe in order to watch these videos, and this subscription is totally free.